Now, number one question I get in the comments and from Instagram or whatever is, Brian, what is a good starter gun? What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Paint Society. Guys, have we been busy? We got a bunch of cars out back. I'm going to show you here in just a moment. Before we get started, guys, the stickers are officially here with our catchphrase, don't overthink it, it's just paint. So if you want to support the channel and help the funds go back into the channel to get better equipment and better audio, visual, all that good stuff, I'm going to leave my email right here, also in the description, to give you information with the email on how to obtain this actual sticker so you can show your support to the Paint Society. So check that out, really cool. So I'm going to show you around and then we're going to get started on this video. Old technology in the new era, can it work? Okay, so yeah, we are busy, which is why you probably haven't heard from me from a minute. But yeah, let's check out what we got going on here. We got this TSX, needs a brand new bumper. We need to actually fix up the harness here for the fog lights. We're gonna do a restore on the headlights as well. So we got that. We got the loaner vehicle here. We need to shut the windows on. So this loaner vehicle here received damage to the bumper cover, and we're gonna fix the fender and most likely blend this hood. So that's kind of buckled in that area. Brand new tailgate that Laz painted, nice and beautiful. Can you believe this tailgate comes with the glass in it already from parts, like in the box? That's just really crazy to me. That's like a $1,200, $1,700 part. The guys just fixed up this Corolla here. They're gonna put the pinstripe back on. So that's another one. I'll take you over here to a few more cars that we're working on. I've got a gray RDX here. The bumper cover, we're waiting on a supplement because it was cracked and we're trying to get a new bumper cover. This is the fender that I went ahead and primed. Now that was the only color, the guys were using this color, that's why it's primed in that color. But usually I like to go a little bit darker. And then I have over here this MDX that I am fixing. Gonna do a replace this fender, blend the hood, blend the A-pillar, blend the door, and repair the bumper. So we got our hands filled at the shop, but let's get to the title of this video. So that old technology actually is this LPH 400. Now, this video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna show you about the gun, and then we're gonna hit some music, and I'm just gonna get rolling in the paint booth and get this thing taped up and paint it. And then at the end of the video, we'll get back together and see what our results were. Now, number one question I get in the comments and from Instagram or whatever is, Brian, what is a good starter gun? Now, that really depends on preference, and I always like to go and suggest something that's gonna last you and spray well. So that's kind of why I kind of lean against the cheap guns. Now, you can always get yourself a starting line gun from DeVille Biss, which will get you going, but I like to recommend something that's going to last. Now, this is an older technology gun, and a lot of people are still using them in the field today. I love this gun because I changed it to the Extreme Cap, the orange one. It's actually extreme for base coat to kind of help out with laying those metallics just perfect. Now, it comes with a silver cap, what it actually is, what is the standard, and then it comes with the a purple one, which is additional if you want as well, and the orange one is additional. I find that most people have the most success with the orange one, and what I'm going to do today is use this from start to finish, from base coat to pearl to clear, just to prove to you guys that are do-it-yourselfers don't need to get 10 guns. You can get a solid gun that comes with a few different tip sizes possibly, and see if it works for you. Make it work for you, because it will work for you. Okay, so this sprays at a very low pressure, around 21 to 22 psi, but the atomization in the fan on this gun are amazing. So I want you to pay attention to how wide the fan is, the movement of the gun, and just, you know, an old technology put a beautiful finish on a 2019. So let's check it out, let's get started, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So I got the NDX all cleared, guys. What a phenomenal job this gun did. So the whole point of this video is I don't want you to limit yourself to just what I spray. Everyone's gonna spray a little bit different. This gun did it from start to finish. Of course you wouldn't want to run primer through it, but hey, if you're looking for a good solid gun that's got a little bit of history, this might be the gun for you. I'm gonna be honest too, it sprays super easy. It doesn't throw a big amount of paint on it, on the finish. Actually, what it does is it atomizes so well that it's actually easy to spray. So I appreciate all the kind words, all the comments. I really thank you guys for being positive in the comments. That's what I want to keep this community about. So let's check this out. And this is Brian reminding you, not overthink it. It's only paint. I'll see you guys on the next one.